Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot 143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert text from one language into another language in MS Excel. Let's assume we are preparing some data in English, but after some time, if you want to convert specific areas into other language, no need to type them within that language. In Excel, we can do it in most simple and easiest way with the help of Google Sheets. Here I have prepared a list with employee names and I want to translate names from English into Hindi. For this, come to any browser, open Google Drive and log in with your mail ID. In this, click on New, come to Google Sheets, select a blank spreadsheet and we will get a sheet same like Excel. In this, we need to paste the Excel data. Select the data, press Ctrl C to copy this. After that, come to Google Sheet and press Ctrl V to paste this. And to convert this, select a cell and type equal to Google. From the options, please select Google Translate. Here enter cell letters that we want to translate, B2, add comma, and we need to mention the translation details, that is from language and to language. Here I want to convert English names into Hindi names. So within the double quotation type, please type English, add comma, and enter target language, Hindi. Close the bracket and press enter. Then it will show the name in Hindi after translation. Click and drag downwards to apply this to remaining names, and notice that it translates all the names into Hindi. If we want, we can also extend this for future requirement. Now I want to enter Bhargav, and automatically it will translate the name into Hindi. In this, we can also enter the sentences in English and translate them into Hindi. I am Nageshwar. Let's check. And it is showing my Nageshwar home. Similarly, my channel is ITbot143. अपने channel ITbot143 है. After this, to use this in Excel sheet, simply select all the data. Copy the data by pressing Ctrl C. Come to Excel worksheet, select a cell and paste it by pressing Ctrl V, and we got the new list with translated text. Like this, we can convert text from one language into another in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.